We are the city, so different, yet still such special and unique residents. That's right. The big heart of the city is a million of our precious hearts. The city is growing, changing, transforming together with us. It follows our common dream. What are we dreaming about? We are dreaming about beautiful and elegant Odessa, a comfortable, bright, and safe home for us, our families, and our friends. Today, our dream becomes a reality. The city of sun. Throughout its history, Odessa was always distinguishable for a special comfort, unique architectural and cultural environment. It has always been a city in which you'd want to live, love, get inspired, and create. Feeling protected in any part of the city and at any time, day or night. This is very important for all of us. We want our city to become brighter and our streets safer. Movement is life. The city cannot develop without improving its transport system. We want to be even more mobile, fast, and closer to each other. We want to keep up with modern pace. Odessa is changing. It becomes more and more open to investments, strives for innovations and new technologies, follows the hottest trends. We care about our future. The heart of Odessa must continue beating in the same rhythm, in our children. We surround them with our love and support. We want them to receive better education, want them to grow in an open, friendly environment. We want them to be healthy and happy. And of course, we want them to love Odessa as much as we do, just the same way our parents do. We want our children to dream bigger and be more daring. Dreams do come true. Today is a great day for dreams to come true in Odessa.